Yo, what's up guys? What's up? Good morning, good morning. Meron na. At ito yung talaga episode 3 and 4 na upload natin ngayon. So, ito muna mauna ang episode 3. So, ngayon, gagawin natin, is tutuloy natin to. Wala na patupik-tupik, kaya pasok na tayo sa loob. So, tutuloy natin ngayon yung story rito. Wait lang ha, ba inaayos ko lang to. Yan. So, pupunta na tayo ng Kurok. Kasama na natin si si Cray. Tama-tama. Ganda ng panahon niya, Ganda ng timing ng walang pasok ngayon. Loko-loko itong mga to, Sige. Bugbugan na! Dan 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 kunat dun da 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 kunat Loko. Oh, loko. Kala mo, Asa. Siguruhin muna tayo dito. Dali tayo dun, Aray! Goshimasu. Patay! Walang wenta. Healing herb, nice. Kailangan natin ng pera. Kailangan natin ng herb. We need herbs. Kunin muna natin yung treasure dito. So, expect ngayon talaga guys, ito totoo na to. Meron tayong content for may upload tayong content ngayon yung 3 and 4 ang papasok ngayon. Kasi hindi tayo nakapag-upload last week. Puro papasok tayo dito sa story na to So, Sando Gaming Time, Sando Gaming tambayan tayo ulit. Mainit Para actually naulan ngayon Kamusta sa inyo mga kasama kung kayo hindi binabaan, no? Tatlong gu. Kapal ng mukha ng mga gung to. Gu ka lang. Charge na natin nga po. G-Growth. Ginamitan tayo ng G-Growth? Kapal na mukha nun. Loko. Loko. Nag-interrupt sa atin, G-Growth. Mga Magic players dyan, If you know what I mean. Siguro lipat natin yung isang yung isang skill kay from Nina to Ryu kay Ken para meron tayong magamit na combo. Although ilan lang yung orum natin Ilan ba orum natin? Chlorine. Yung burn talaga eh, oh. Para kay ano na yan. Nagsayang tayo ng isang orum doon. So, rest tayo. Para lang hindi na mapabayaan natin yung channel natin. Wala yan, pambihira na, mapabayaan na natin yung channel natin. Wala. Grabe, di tayo makapag-stream ngayon. Nandang ginagawa sa Kalye Commander. Nasa dam tayo. Ito yung Kurok. Pasok nga tayo saglit sa Kurok. Hindi, ay, green. Initiative tayo pag green, okay. Combo tayo. Burn. Eddie. Wild to shot. Hindi ko mambo! Baliktad siguro ako. Mali combo ko. Baliktad pala ako. Dapat muna wind. Edit muna. Tapos burn. Tapos wild shot. What the heck naman, oh? Anyway, padam na tayo eh. Rest na nga tayo rito. Tapos diretso na tayo sa storya. And here we go. Okay, sa dam tayo. Ano meron dito? Tingnan natin. Siyempre, dam nandito eh. Kinda quiet around here. Where's everybody? I heard there was a lots of people working here, but I sure don't see him. Who are you? What are you doing here? Ang laki ng patawan, no? Parang ako lang ngayon, nakatank top. Excuse me, we want to get to the other side of the river. Maybe across? Sure, don't need the permission to do that, but, wait. Don't tell me you don't know what happened. You hear that? There's a dragon running around there. Oy, dragon! There's a dragon! There's a dragon! Dragon lives in the mud. Ay, isang mud dragon. He swims near to the bottom and doesn't bother anyone much. But some reason he's been acting real crazy lately. Everyone was afraid he'd break the gate, so they ran off. Well, there you have it. You can go across if you want, but just be careful. You hear? Our very first dragon. Dragon eh, no? Dragon. Naalala ko tuloy yung, yung meme kay, kay Raiden Shogun eh. Sarah, where's my dragon? Can you see my dragon? Where's my dragon? Hayop na buhay yan. Ay! La? Dan. Uy, 3 gu. Gu ka lang. Ban. Umombo ka. Nice. Dan. Ay, hindi yan, oh. Hindi pumasok. Baya mo na nga. Tok pa ako ah. Kaya! Tapang gu ah. Gu ka lang. Rock blast. Nice. Sakto. Ang combo yan eh. Kaya natin dito. Ano meron dito? Anything in here? Lose control panel. Authorized space. Authorized access from prohibited. Okay. Kaya natin dito. Baka may treasure eh. Sayang eh. Alam nyo naman tayo. Sa tayong treasure hunter. Parang gusto kong balikan tuloy yung isa. Who are you? You looking for something? There on the other bank. Why would you come all the way to this place to do that? Well, I guess that's none of my business. Anyway, you want to get the other side. First, you have to close the sluice up there. Then cross the river. Once you over the river, you can use the lift to get to the top of the cliff. Robby's got the key to the sluice, so go to talk to him. He's the one with the tube. So ito yun. Kasi yung hype na Robin yun. Wala yung hype na yun. Nakita ko na kanina eh. Ito. Robbie, ha? Huh? You want the key? Yan. Kailangan ko ng key. Give me the key, man. Want to go to the bank? Oh. Okay. We'll be careful, okay? Okay lang, sige. Meron ba mabentahan dito? Wala. Pinaasa lang tayo nun. Tama, mga nagmimina ng gintuto mga to, eh. There's a metal called oro mixed within the mud. So we come here for local for what you call prospectors. Grabe, nagpo-prospect na mga po. Pumo-prospect na nga po. Sana napo-prospect. Dito muna tayo. Ayun oh. May treasure doon oh. Dan da 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 dan 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 dan. Loko. Daya ano na. Ipon lang tayo pera. So, walang daan dito. Balikan na natin. Mamaya natin, ano to? Mabubuksan ko na ba to? Oh, yes, mabubuksan ko na pala eh. Mamaya natin ano yun yan. May gusto ako makuha eh. Doon sa taas tayo. Okay, so wala rin doon. So talaga doon na talaga daan natin sa babang yon. Uy! Yan natin makakuha tayong skill. Yung push-pull sana eh. Sapa. Ang loko. Sapa. Molasses. We got molasses, Ken. Ay, na pangalan. Takin na nga natin itong mga to. Loko yun ah. Kill natin yan. Tapos miss. Bon! Rockoblasto. Loko yun ah. At least ako tayong molasses. Ayun, Orum. Nice. Bawi kagad yung Orum natin dun. Tatry na nga natin kung maging consistent for once o no. Once or twice na week na magkaroon ng updates. Kasi nakakaawa naman yung share ko. Yung channel ko sa FB. Dito na nakakaawa lang nag-launch na ang ang Kali Commander namin sa SR1P. So sisiguraduhin na natin yung maging consistent tayo. And bumaba na yung slow. Okay, bumaba na yung dam. You should able to walk from the top of the sluice now that is closed. Okay, check muna natin. Dito tayo tumingin. So, tumigil na siya eh. Itong kabila lang ang hindi. So, baba tayo. Yan. Since wala na siya doon, yung kabila naman ang problema. So mali, balik tayo doon sa taas. Tapos dito daan. Ayun, makakadaan na tayo doon. Ayun, sakto may kalaban pa. Try nga natin. Teka. Paano ba setup natin dito? Burn to. Rock blast. Tapos pwede namang eddy. Tapos rock blast. Ay, kinuman tayo. Kapal ng mukha nito ah. Oh, yes sir. Ban! Kaya blast. Namatay! No! No! Namatay! Minsan ang alam ko bombo eh. Short sword. Basics are often used by guards. At least may bago tayo, at least may weapon tayo dito. So ito yung problema natin, useless dito. Dan dan ha! Ha! Atay! Napit na pala mag-level ni Ken. Ken talaga pangalan eh, no? So dito, pasok tayo dito. Is there something dito? May something ba dito? Wala. Sakto. Oh, vitamin. Okay, so active na yung dalawang sluice. Patay na lahat. Hindi pala sluice, yung dam. Sinarado na natin yung buong dam. Stop. What's going on with the sluice? You want to close the sluice? Yeah, we do, but this machine here, it stopped, right? It's been a little stiff lately. You have to turn it really fast to get it to work. Here, I'll explain what you have to do. Ibig sabihin, in short, kailangan mo lang siya patakbohin ng manual. First, you have to turn the wheel here by hand. Then when the wheel spinning fast enough, flip the switch here. So, isang mini game na naman to. If you just want to close the sluice, it doesn't have to be spinning that fast. But but the faster goes, the easier to get to operate. So, I would mind to put a little extra effort into it. Okay lang yan. No, alam na natin yan. Okay, let's get started. One of you has to turn the wheel and someone else has to come over and push the switch. Paano ba paikutin ng puta? Hindi ba lang gumalaw eh! Ayop na buhay yan. Nope. Ayun, okay. Grabe oh. No? Hoy! Susme! Sala! Buwisit na buhay yan. Okay di. Boset na yan. Sa circle dapat. Yun! You should able to cross the top of the sluice now. I don't know where you're headed, but good luck to you. Thank you, thank you. O, baka gusto mo kami padaanin. Ay, sakto, 4. Try natin. Ban! Hindi mo mamatay sa isang bagsakan lang to mga to eh. Kapal lang mukha nito, kinagit na naman tayo. Kaya window. Namamatay eh bago magtanaw. Ano? Yari tayo doon. Hindi tayo makaka-10 hit combos niya. So, ito na tayo. Swallow Eye. Search nga natin to. Okay, next. Baba tayo dito. Mukhang kakaroon tayo ng unang dragon dito ah. Sino to? I'm keeping an eye out I'm keeping out for the dragon. It is really out of hand. I'm supposed to ring this bell here. And just hope we have enough time to get out of here when the attack ends. So, nakabantay lang siya doon. Sa isang watchman. Nagugulan ako sa camera angle, oh. Baba natin to. Okay na. Oh, you're back, eh? Alright, I'll work the lift for you. But first, you have to give me back the key, alright? Okay. Ano tayong susi? Hey, Rocky! Go ahead and open the stores, okay? Roger! See, if we don't open the stores, we can't do anything to work. That's why we're waiting for you to get out of here and we can go back to work. Alright then, let me work the lift for you. Oy, ayun na nga. The stairs has broken. The mud overflowing. The mud dragon na nga. Well, I was gonna work for the lift for you, but it looks like we got more important things to worry about now. But wait, we got to get to the other side. Look, I'd love to stay in and help you, but I gotta get out of here. You have to do work the lift for yourselves. Use this, okay? Crank. All you have to do is attach that to the box in the front of the lift and pull it in a few times. What the heck? I think about getting out of here if I was you. Anyway, good luck to you. See ya! Tinakbonan tayo eh. Kahit nabuhay yan. Kaya baka meron tayo pwede kausapin pa dito. Gamitin na natin yung crank. Oh no! Nag-stuck! No! No! It's not moving. Maybe we need to do some handle more. So, to move the handle some more. Grabe, manual yung yung crank. Ayun na. Come on, hurry up already. No, 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 no. That was close. That was close one. For their sake, I hope those people got out on time. Kaso lang, we got more problems siguro. Si Roppy, oh. Yahoo! What the heck? Thank goodness everyone got out safely. Yep, come on, come on then, let's get going. Mga naman. Wala lang yan, buhay yan. So, camp muna tayo dito. Ang wala na lang dito yata is si Saya saka si Ursula, tama ba? Rest muna tayo rito. Okay, and here we go. Ano meron dito? Oh, sunset. It's beautiful. Seriously, no? There's a village called Kiria to the east of here. We should able to get yung Sinesta from there. Oh, ano yan? Oh, yung Mad Dragon. At tumingin siya kay Kin. Isn't that? Alam ba naman natin to? Is that the dragon that destroyed the dam? Never seen a dragon come this close to the shore before. Looks like your paths have become intertwined with the dragons. Do you know a lot about the dragons, ma'am? Is this the same dragon that destroyed the dam? Dragons don't attack people, dear. This one just wants to tell you something. Grabe pumihit eh, no? Gumagano pati yung ulo ko napapapihit ang wala sa oras eh. Really? I wonder what he wants to say. Dragons are beyond the understanding of mortals like us. What we know of them comes to us in the songs from ancient times. Do you want to hear one of my songs? It won't cost you much. Okay, bigyan kita 100. I'm so generous ngayon eh. Thank you kindly. Alright, here's the song for you. From the world's dawning to its end, the endless open the way. You know, you who hear their calls, abandon yourself to faith and surrender yourself to all. Grabe yung kanta. Oh, here comes, may bago tayong dragon. We got the dragon. I don't get it. What was supposed to mean? It means that when the dragons move, the world follows. Everything the dragons do changes the world in some way. And you have been caught up that change. I'm sorry, lady, but we're kind of in a hurry. We don't have time to sit here and talk about dragons or whatever. Thank you for singing to us, ma'am. Alam ko master din tong babaeng to eh. Your part is more than just tangled up with the dragons. You just got one walking around within you. Na-realize niya si Ken yung isang dragol dun eh. Pero alam ko master yun eh. Tingnan natin, kausapin natin ulit yun. Ano, wala na siya rito? Alam ko master yun eh. So sisiguraduhin natin na 3 and 4 this week meron tayo. Twice ang ang content natin kada week. So try natin na susubukan na natin maging consistent sa mga natin, sa mga contents natin. So, punta tayo ng Kiria. Kiria muna tayo. Travelers, if I was you, I would travel around here. Bakit? May sumasalisin na naman ba rito? The mayor is eccentric. He loves to trust and that's why the business is full of them. Only one problem is we get caught in them once ourselves sometimes. Grabe, may traps na naman daya rito. One kind of trap is called the bear trap. It's important to get us the right kind of spring and make sure the teeth are nice and sharp. May isa na ako nakikitang trap dito, eh. Ayun, meron pang ano doon. May landmine pa ako nakikita doon, eh. Did you get out of walking around the village, did you? There are rooms aren't that big, but you're welcome to stay. Never mind, kasi save lang natin, eh. Hindi ko sinabi papasok ako. Wala yan naman, oh. Ang tanong dito natin. Yan. Spray. Putik na buhay yan. Ba't ako lumabas? Try nga natin sa baba. Ano meron dito sa bound to? Treasure doon, no? Pero what the heck? Ba't nagkaganyan yung ano ko? Naging polka dots. So, I was using actually ng emulator para dito, guys. Kaya naging polka dots yun, no? Kaya mamaya mawawala yan. Tataratan. You boys got a sweetie back home. You'll find something real nice for her in that chest there. Nako, masama kutob ko dyan. Sabi ni. Mimic. Teka. Sakit nun, ha? Loko ka, ha? Ay, sponge. Nice. May bear trap doon, ah. Caution, this area is trapped. Ay, nako, masama kutob ko dito. Buti ka pa tayo doon. No, the best traps are explosive ones. Who can resist the smell of smoke, the sound, and the color? What the heck? You know, I still thinks the best trap has got to be the gold or the bear trap. Bear trap. Putik na buhay yan. Nabubulol na nga po. Pitfall naman to, santo. Feel free to play with the pet. Sino ba yung pet na yan? Anak ng pet naman yan, ha? Molasses. Rockobulasto. Ha? Aray! Beatrus, use his shield. Okay. Loko. Takahin nga natin yan. Wild shot to. Hindi tinatablan? Well shot tayo, try natin. Aray! Mangingalang-ilaw ako dun, ah. Loko yun, ah. Mayor's residence. Ito na yan. Tarantado tong mayor na to, eh. Oh no! Oh, gotcha. Gotcha good. Gotcha good. The door is dark. You weren't able to get in that way. So sa ilalim tayo dadaan. Entry without permission of the mayor is prohibited. If you want to go through here, you need the mayor's permission. Okay, sige. Hindi pa kasi pakahulog tayo rito. $400 Zenny. No pain, no gain. Sakit sa ulo tong lugar na to eh. Ano nga muna tayo dito? Pahinga muna tayo dito. Okay, game. Nahulog tayo kanina dito sa isang to. So, ito yun. Dropping bonanza, what's about the flutter? Can do it, mate. Times wasting. Got him, yes. What? No good, mate, but the user put in the big ones. What's he talking about? Tell him. Do you know the mayor's is? No good, mate, but you sure you put the big ones. We put it together. We're not sharing and swag. Got him, yes. Loko-loko to ah. Fish head. Ano ko may sasabihin ano to eh. May gagawin para tayo dito sa isang to eh. Yan, shuffled. What do you want to play? You really got no idea at all. You do you, mate. Bastos naman tong gagong to. Loko-loko to eh. Hold on, we're on or aren't we then? What is this? You're pulling a pants. Look who's talking. No good, make you lose. Loko-loko tong ibon na to ha. No. Tingnan natin eh. No. Beauty Nuke. Up there with the Kazali, the one. You really got in the ticker. You bet. Putik na buhay yan. Tagal ko hindi narinig tong pan na to eh, no? Itong mga nababasa kong pan sa kanya eh. No. Hold on a minute. Are we on going take on then? Nope. So, not really. Good on ya, bait. It's been Bonza. How can I do to you? Chasing the woods out from the back west. You want to challenge the ticket? Okay, pupunta tayo in the woods. That must be mean he's in the woods to the west, right? Okay, punta tayo sa woods. Off to the woods! O, matapang ka. Hype na pet yan. Takpa ko ah. Okay. Try natin tingnan yung sa west. So, ito yung ano. Ayun yung wood sa west eh. Nandun siya dun eh. So, pwede natin siya puntahan doon. Save muna tayo. Tignan natin sa woods. Aga namang kalaban niya. Oh, may bago. May fungoid tayo. Tignan natin kung ano makukuha natin sa kanya. Confused. G-Grow. Okay. So, pwede natin ito kombohan. Ban! Severe. Rock Blast. Natin. Katatama, wag katatama, wag katatamay. Putik na buhay, tinamaan. No? Heal tayo rito. Powder. Loko-loko tong mga to. Buti nasa bungad pa lang tayo. Okay, game. Isa pa. La Ban. Kaya window. Ah, no. Namatay! Hinga muna tayo sa labas. Bakit na buhay yan? Dapat talaga binugbog ko na eh. Wait lang guys. Sige, pwede pa naman. Rest. Okay, game. Pasok tayo. La? Meron naman! Try nga natin i-charge to. Baka naman, wag tapaan. Baka naman. La? Yun. Oy, para lang ko to. Teka, palitan natin si Hershin dito. Kasi alam ko rito, pag ganyan, ayan o, Infinite Apple to eh. Mga tayo ng mangunang apple dito. Nag-glitch siya ano eh, no? How to get infinite apples? Gamitin si Hershey at mag-headbutt. Yun lang yun. Tanda ko to, isang to. Although not much siya na ano, kumbaga, hindi siya ganun ka, sort lang natin. Normal. Nasaan yung ano? Ayan. Not much siya, pero kahit sabi mo 100 points lang yung 100 points yung binibigay niya sa HP, na kaya tulong yan. Na 99 na natin to. Tuloy-tuloy lang natin pag headbutt, no? Ganito lang ang buhay, ganyan ang buhay, nag-headbutt lang pag walang ginagawa. Ayan, no? Ganyan-ganyan lang ang buhay. May mabuti sana ganyan sa tunay na buhay, no? Nag-headbutt ka lang tapos nakakuha ka na ng maraming prutas. Hindi ka magugutom. Yun nga lang, handa mo yung sarili mo sa pagpadoktor kasi malaking buko lang aabutin mo. Masakit yung mga headbutt, no? Nakakailan na kaya tayo? Tignan natin. 82 na kaagad. Hindi na masama. Maksaba. Isa pa pala. You said you can come in. Bakit? You're looking for the mayor, huh? There's a small problem. What problem? I mean, the mayor of Kiria is in here, but is lost. Bakit lost? Some really fierce wild animals move into the forest in a while back. Me and the mayor figured we should get rid of them. That's why we came here. But we only know how to make traps. See? We're not too good at hunting. I'm afraid we haven't much luck of so far. I think we laid too many traps. Kind of hoist and our petard. You know what I mean. So, na-stuck sila gawa ng sarili nilang traps. Yan ang sinasabi ko. I don't know what to do anymore. So, do you have any idea what's happened to the mayor? Well, either we gotten stuck in one of his own traps, or he ran into the monster. If you want to go there looking for him, I won't stop you. Here, take this with you. An apple. Try to put an apple on the stuff in the woods. You should be able to lure the monster with it. So, if we find the monster and follow it, you should be able to find the mayor. I hope. So, siguro dito muna tayo tatigil muna mga kasama. So, save muna tayo sa labas. Kasi, initiative. Itigil muna tayo dito. Kasi hanggat maaari, nasa 1 hour na tayo. 1 hour content lang muna tayo. Try natin ulit kumombo dito. 8 to eh. Burn. Sabir. Rocoblasto. Hindi sumama yung Rock Blast. Sayang yan, combo na sana yun. So, pasensya na kayo kung laging 1 hour lang nito. 1 or 1 hour 30 minutes lang yung content natin. Kasi, ini-edit ko pa kasi to. So, I think dito muna tayo matatapos for now. For now lang muna. So, try lang natin maging consistent within 1 hour and 30 minutes o 1 hour lang pinaka-maximum. Pinaka-maximum ng 1 hour and 30 minutes lang. So, save muna tayo dito. Kaya hanggat maaari, marami yung upload din, no? So, yun na muna sa guys. Thank you very much muna sa inyo. So, kita-kits tayo mamaya in episode 4. So, kita-kits and babush, guys.